here it is. I'm saying this not at Cielo, I'm saying this at my real name, Muhammad Baidevara, that suicide jokes is not cool and suicide is not a joke. Face look like shit. Good morning. I just woke up. I'm just saying it again. This is my first vlog, and I'm not going to use full English here. I'm going to use Indonesian. So, selamat pagi. Ini hari Jumat dan kesibukan gue hari ini adalah tugas laporan LPJ. Cuma tidak, cuman banyak dan sini si bawa lagi udah. Kok LPJ kan telat kita yang ngumpulin LPJ ke Pari. Jam 10 ke Pari kita ngeprint sendiri LPJ. Pari di PC gue tadi. Ntar gue diganti cenah tapi. Belum. Mau kencing. Ganti gue. Hal terbaiknya adalah saat lo mau mandi lo nemuin ini. Itu ada bangke. Kelar mandi. Gue nggak tahu kenapa ya. Pertama tadi ada tikus di depan pintu kamar mandi. Terus tadi pas gue kelar mandi kata teman gue si Bowo pas dia mau ke kamar mandi juga ke bawah, dia ngeliat ada tikus celeng juga, tapi mungkin udah masih nggak OTW mati ya, celeng ke atas. Dan akhirnya temen gue balik ke atas ketika dikejar tikus. Terus tikus yang satu itu udah ke gudang sana. What the fuck? Ini tikus makan apa? Lo habis ngegele, Cil. Lo habis ngegele. Kan gue bilang jangan banyak-banyak kalau ngegele. Kan celeng kan lo mati. Udah lo ada yang mau kata temen lo. Anyway, gue mau pakai baju dulu. Dan sudah. Anyway, quick shout out ya. Bukan quick shout out sih. Gue mau ngucapin selamat buat komunitas gue, komunitas dance cover gue, Invasion DC. Follow IG-nya. Mereka tadi pagi, tepatnya hari ini, hari Jumat 12 Januari 2018, mereka ada di acara talk show jam 6 pagi tadi. Kenapa gue bilang itu di sini? Karena gue merasa bangga gitu ya. Gue mungkin bisa dibilang salah satu orang yang merasakan saat komunitas gue ini masih meranjak ke atas. Kita sedang menuju ke atas sana, dan dalam perjalanan ke sana kita udah mulai dikenal sama banyak kalangan ya terus. Dan untuk tampil di net itu nggak cuma talk show, kita juga tampil di sana. Invasion Boys, tim cowoknya, mereka perform coverin EXO, dan tim Invasion ceweknya, Invasion Girls, mereka tampil cover Twice yang lagu baru itu yang Likey ya. No, not Likey, Heart Shaker. Mereka tampil lagu itu. Jadi selamat guys, udah tampil. Dan cek juga channel Invasion, linknya ada di description. Di dalam channelnya itu banyak banget cover-cover yang pasti bagus, memuaskan untuk dilihat. Ya, nggak mengecewakan lah pokoknya kita. Semoga kita bisa ngibur kalian terus ke depannya. Thank you. Back to my vlog.
SG, mungkin cuma laporan sama programnya doang kan?
Iya.
Lu ngumpulin mau kapan?
Terakhir. Ngumpulinnya maksudnya via apa?
Email.
Oh iya. Lempar cuma aku bikinnya dikukus, bikinnya direpus. si Bowo baru pulang dan gue keluar buat beli snack iseng soalnya mulai habis ngerjain. Well, gue ngerjain gak terlalu banyak sih, maksudnya gue kayak ngerjain istirahat banyak istirahatnya gitu. Karena gue orang yang gimana ya, gue bakal ngerjain kalau misalnya gue masih tahu apa yang harus gue kerjain. Cuman kalau gue lagi nggak tahu apa terus boleh ngerjain terus gue nggak tahu harus ngapain, gue bakal stop di situ dan gue akan lanjut saat gue udah tahu harus ngapain. Jadi gue banyak istirahatnya ya karena gue orangnya kayak begitu. Buat kalian yang nonton ini, buat kalian yang baru masuk kuliah atau istilahnya kalian ikut dalam suatu organisasi, pastiin pertama kali nomor 1 kalian tahu organisasi itu kayak gimana. Jangan kayak gue, soalnya waktu itu apa yang gue pikirin saat gue mengambil jabatan yang gue punya ini, pikiran gue cuma satu, kapan lagi, karena waktu itu gue ditawarin pada saat semester 6 dan semester depan gue nggak akan punya lagi kesempatan untuk jadi pengurus semester 8 nanti. Jadi gue bilang kapan lagi, dan ya gue salah perkiraan. Kesulitannya banyak banget karena di situ gue nggak paham sama sekali masalah kepengurusan, masalah istilahnya organisasi macam OSIS gini baru pertama kali gue ikutin ya pada saat di kampus ini. Kalau pas di SMA dulu ya paling gue cuma ketua ekstrakurikuler, yang dimana yang gue jabat di situ ya bidang gue gitu, apa yang gue sukain. Bukan berarti gue nggak suka dengan apa yang gue ini, memang sih masih nyambung bidangnya. Bidang gue minat dan bakat, gue mau mengurus masalah non akademis. Jadi bikin kayak komunitas olahraga, komunitas seni, itu yang ada di jurusan itu yang nampung bidang gue. Tapi ya gue ngerasa ya jelas beda karena jangkauannya juga lebih luas, komunitas yang gue urus lebih banyak, program kerja yang gue bikin itu ya kayak bikin event. Gue juga pertama kali bikin event pada saat gue menjabat pengurus ini. Banyak pengalaman lah ya, ada untungnya juga walaupun istilahnya gue ngerasa gagal. Kalau gue ngerasa gagal di pengurus ini, tapi gue merasa pengalaman dari kegagalan itu masuk ke gue, dan gue merasa istilah dalam game point leadership gue naik gitu. Jadi apa yang gue yang sekarang ini bisa mengaplikasiin leadership gue ini ke grup-grup gue yang udah ada yang udah ada sebelumnya, kayak grup tim dance gue, tim project dance gue, ya pokoknya tim di luar inilah yang udah ada lah sebelumnya. Jadi gue bisa lebih ngebina lebih lagi ya, insya Allah. Oh ya, yang pertama itu pastiin kalian tahu bidang apa ya kalian tahu dan seenggaknya paham jabatan kalian itu apa dan harus ngapain. Yang kedua, seenggaknya walaupun kalian awalnya kalian udah tahu nih, terus tapi kalian sebenarnya nggak suka sama konteks dari sebuah bidang tersebut atau jabatan tersebut, karena mungkin ya awal kan udah misalnya udah terlanjur ngejalanin gitu. Menurut gue ya kalau lo nggak suka, mau nggak mau lo harus adaptasi, karena ya yang awalnya lo memaksa jadi tulus kayak gitu. Kalau misalnya lo udah suka, itu bagus, istilahnya lu pasti ngejalanin apapun kegiatannya dengan hati. Ya istilahnya ada batu loncatan setinggi apapun, kalau lu suka, batu itu bakal jadi kecil sendiri dan lu bisa dengan mudah ngelewatinnya. Anyway, jangan terlalu serius, kita lanjut lagi. Gua lagi nonton Running Man untuk ngelepas pusing. Gue tahu suara gue emang nggak bagus, tapi gue menikmati membuat lagu-lagu cover. Ini lagu cover buat tanggal 19. Nope, it's change of plan. This song is going to be on the next week song. Buat tanggal berapa ya? Gue lupa, 19. For the 19th January 2018. This song will be the next cover song in my channel. So stay tuned on my channel. Yang belum subscribe, subscribe sekarang. Klik juga tombol belnya biar kalian dapat notifikasi kalau gue upload. Klik dan like, subscribe. I can't fucking talk. Cause you know that 내가 못하는 너야. Udah betul, besok harusnya sih ya jadi hari santai gue. Nggak tahu deh, mungkin besok sih gue udah nggak ngurus ya laporan bidang sih, masih ngurus, cuman laporan tugas udah ya, insya Allah lagi gue keluarin sekarang. Pusing guys, gila pusing. College life is not cool. I say to you, college life is not cool. Not at all cool. No, it's not. No. Anyways, it's fun because you have more friends, you have more experience, you have more knowledge. Gue pernah nonton tadi video yang Game Theories ngebahas soal Logan Paul. Yang gue setuju dari dia, man, setelah tahun 2017 itu menurut gue tahun yang menurutku wow banget. Kenapa keluar kan Betawi gue. Kenapa? Soalnya karena banyak hal yang baru di 2017 dan itu benar-benar baru. Ada beberapa hal dalam hidup gue yang memang long last selama beberapa tahun, tapi di dalam 2017 ini banyak hal baru, banyak banget. Contohnya, gue ditarik sama temen gue untuk jadi salah satu ketua bidang di kepengurusan jurusan. Kedua, gue ngebentuk tim dance cover gue di Bandung yang dimana mereka jadi keluarga baru gue di Bandung. Dan hal-hal luar biasa udah banyak terjadi peningkatan di komunitas dance cover gue Invasion DC. Yang menurut gue ya, sebagai orang yang menjadi bagian dari komunitas itu, walaupun gue nggak ikut di performance mereka, di usaha mereka pada saat itu, gue merasa ya wow, gue bagian dari komunitas itu. Walaupun orang nggak kenal gue, tapi gue bangga sama komunitas gue. Banyak hal yang terjadi peningkatan, mungkin kalian bisa cek aja di invasion_DC. Dan enough of that. Intinya dia juga ngomong kayak gitu, 2017 jadi tahun yang luar biasa buat banyak orang. Dan kurang dari 24 jam tepatnya, emang itu pas banget malam tahun baru, paginya gue selalu update video Logan Paul. Vlog dia menurut gue sangat-sangat seru gitu ya, walaupun ya dia emang bisa dibilang misbehave lah ya. Dia bener-bener attitude-nya di sosial agak kurang ya, kalau bahasa kita mah dia agak kurang ajar lah, emang kayak gitu. Tapi ya gue fun aja nontonnya. Dan pas di video itu tanggal 1 Januari 2018, tahun baru dimulai, dia ngupload video tentang dia masuk ke salah satu hutan yang ada di Jepang, yang ada letaknya di bawah Gunung Fuji, yang dimana hutan itu terkenal kebanyakan orang-orang Jepang yang datang ke hutan itu untuk melakukan satu hal, yaitu bunuh diri. Dan sebutannya emang hutan bunuh diri. Singkat cerita, awalnya emang dia cuma mau ngelakuin camping aja di situ. Dia nggak ada niatan untuk nemuin, malah dia mau camping aja di situ, mau camping ngelakuin, dia mau challenge untuk 24 jam di dalam hutan suicide forest itu. Dan baru masuk, gak lama dia masuk, dia di tengah jalan nemuin, dia ngeliat di kejauhan di pohon ada mayat yang udah tergantung, dan itu masih fresh. Kondisinya udah, gue lihat video aslinya karena emang gue nonton pas banget video itu baru diupload. Emang gue begadang kan waktu itu, baru diupload dan gue nonton. Emang ya menurut gue disturbing banget sih, emang sangat mengganggu. Dan ya pas nonton video itu gue udah nebak ini pasti jadi viral, karena ini bukan konten yang cocok buat YouTube. Mungkin lo bisa nemuin video-video kayak gitu di deep web atau apapun itu, yang dimana gue belum pernah kunjungin deep web. Tapi untuk YouTube, no. YouTube itu platform global, platform yang bisa diakses oleh semua orang dengan mudah. Hampir semua orang punya internet dan semua orang bisa akses itu. Dan saat gue ngeliat itu, ini jadi viral. Dan bener aja, gak 2 atau 3 hari kemudian, besoknya gue inget banget, besoknya dia upload video tentang dia minta maaf soal video itu. Singkat cerita kayak gitu, videonya juga udah dihapus sama dia di channelnya ya, dan akhirnya masih viral sampai sekarang. Dan itu bakal gue bahas besok, konten suicide ini gara-gara insiden Logan Paul, orang jadi bikin candaan, kebanyakan candaan niatan untuk ngeledek Logan Paul, tapi menurut gue itu nggak bagus sama sekali, dan gue akan bahas itu besok saat siang datang, karena di sini gelap. Oke. Nggak gelap sih, lo masih bisa lihat gue, tapi no. See you guys in the morning. Good morning. Terus udah siang sih sebenarnya, sekarang jam nggak kelihatan jamnya, jam sekarang jam 11:30. Sebenarnya gue udah bangun dari tadi, tapi gue baru mulai record sekarang. So yang gue janjiin, gue bakal ngebahas tentang soal gue lagi kambuh, sinus gue lagi kambuh. Sinus, bagi yang nggak tahu sinus itu apa, sinus itu semacam flu, tapi apa ya, lebih, menurut gue sih lebih, nggak tahu ya lebih bahaya apa enggak, cuman yang pertama pasti itu sinus itu dikarenakan lo alergi dingin. Jadi lo kena dingin, bukan kena dingin udara sih kalau gue ya, dalam kasus gue bukan dingin udara, kayak dingin minum es, minum itu langsung benar-benar meler, dan melernya itu berlebihan gitu, banyak banget, dan bersin juga. Dan alhamdulillah sekarang udah nggak meler, gue nggak harus minum obat, karena kalau gue minum obat gue bisa tidur lagi gue, karena obatnya kuat banget. Listriknya udah nyala, tapi sekarang gue masak dulu. Indomie. Here's my bowl. Let's go cook. Ya, udah selesai masaknya. This is my noodle. There is a lot of noodle. I'm starving. And let me eat first, and then we're going to. And I'm going to eat first, and I will. We'll go straight to the top. Belum kelar makan gue masih kekenyangan. Yuk kita mulai topiknya. So in this topic I'm going to talk in English so everybody could understand. Well, I'm sorry if my pronunciation is bad, but I'm gonna explain it anyway. So the fresh new issue about Logan Paul. There's a lot of article that talking about this issue about Logan Paul going to the forest in Japan, that's called Suicide Forest, and he found a dead body in that forest. He not just going in the forest, he not just found a body, he filmed it. He showed everyone the body. Even though the face was blurred, you can still see the body. It was all purple. As I said last night, I was watching the video because I always updated Logan vlogs and all. And yeah, starting of the video was like warning words, like the video is contains some disturbing image and stuff, and even after warning he said something about it. So after that the vlog is kinda, well, the mood is not real good, like when the Uber going to the forest, the mood is not, I don't know what to say. The mood is kind of down, kind of low. It's kind of like something's bad going to happen, and it did. I'm going to explain what happened again. So Logan going to a place called Suicide Forest, which place in the feet of Mountain Fuji, and the place is called Suicide Forest because a lot of accident happened there, especially suiciding. A lot of people came to the forest and committed suicide, and that's where the name comes from, because a lot of people committing suicide there. It's called Suicide Forest, and it's a restricted area, but Logan get inside anyway. I don't know how. So Logan, Brandon, Andy, and Andy's girlfriend, I forgot her name, going to the and the security who is guarding Logan in a whole weekend, in a whole vacation in Japan. Their first purpose on going to the forest is they want to do something like 24-hour challenge in the forest. They they bring in the tent, they bring in the pillow, they bring in the sleeping bag, they bring in some snacks and all. The purpose is just to sleep over in the forest. But as soon as they get in the forest, I just don't know who find see the dead body first. But after that, they see dead body. I thought it was going to end there and just cut it into something else and just talk about it. But no, he said that he thinks he found a dead body. He thinks he saw a man hanging, and he did. Well, whatever. If you film it, but don't show it on YouTube. But he didn't do that. So he approached the dead body. He filmed it, blurred his face, just show the the show that to people, to for those who watching the channel, his channel. And it's kind of sick. The whole thing that's going on in my mind is like, this video is going viral, it's going to be viral, and less than 24 hours, the next morning, it's 2nd January 2018. The next morning, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of the channels that I watch, a lot of artists, a lot of celebrity who maybe watch Logan channel, they pretty upset. They're saying like, Logan, you're disgusting. Logan, you, yeah, whatever, man. Like, I'm agree with them. Don't get me wrong, I'm agree with them. What Logan did was wrong. But the netizen, the people who also watch it, actually I saw this trend in PewDiePie channel when he make a video about a meme review, and all the meme is about this Logan thing. Like, Logan saw some other characters hanging. Yeah, the meme is just was like this. And for me, it's not cool. Like, you can blame Logan. You can, point your finger at him, say that he's wrong. But to make a joke about it, about suicide, it's not cool. Now, here it is. I'm saying this not at Cielo, I'm saying this at my real name, Muhammad Baidefara, that suicide jokes is not cool, and suicide is not a joke. Why I'm saying this? I'm saying this not because the thing that you never in that condition, in that position. Actually, no. To be frank, to be true, no. I I have been in that condition long before I say this. It actually in my senior high school. Yeah, it's on my senior high school. The main point is, it's really scary. Like when, well, it's not like I hanging myself. No, I'm not going to do that. What I was going to do back there, I was going to fall off from my house's 2nd floor, and when I stand at the edge of the floor, I was thinking, now this is, I believe this is what happens with everyone that committing suicide. Like, right before they do it, they will go into like a deep thinking mode, and that was what happened to me. I was thinking deeply. I was thinking, and luckily for me, God still give a chance for me to not to do it. I was thinking a lot of consequences. If I do this and I die, it's not going to solve my problem. It's going worse. Whatever problem is I have back there, if it is solve my problem, it's going to make another problem, a different one. So, and the, the most the most thing that I was thinking is about my family, my parents especially. If I do this, if I jump and just died, or maybe just, you know like if I did that and my life is still safe, but I end up coma, that will still not going to solve any of my problem. Yeah, like I said, if it's solved, then it's going to make another problem. So I think no, I'm not going to do it, because I did that. Whenever I got into the same problem, or whenever I get depressed, committing something like suicide never comes to mind again, because whenever it slips to my mind, the thought that I have think back there come again, and it just kick out the thought of me doing something like suicide. Now I'm telling this story not to like, I'm not saying this because I need your sympathy. No, I'm saying this because of what I saw about the Logan Paul hanging meme trends. No, it's not cool for me, because, well, maybe some people enjoy it, like it's a meme, it's a cartoon, but for me, I have humor. I can understand that it is a joke, but for me, if I'm taking a joke, I'm laughing at it, but I also think about it. If you joke about something that really silly, I'm not going to bother any further. Yeah, it's silly, okay, but something like hanging, suicide, especially when things happen recently, it's not that it's not good, it's not cool, it's not funny. No. So I'm saying this to you guys, that if you ever depressed, think think more, think twice, think 10 times, think 1,000 times before you do it, because if you do it, you waste a lot of chance to change your life. If you not do it, if you're not doing it, if you're not committed it, you will take a lot of chance to change your life, to fix it. I mean, the only thing, the only thing that allow us to die, for me, is time, or sick, or illness, or fate, not suicide. Suicide is against fate. Our fate is made by us, I know, but if we choose to end our life by ourselves, it's not fate for me. It's stupid. Um, I don't know. I'm feeling kind of low too right now. But just remember what I say. I'm just saying this to respond what I saw about the meme. When I see the meme, when I search for it, when I see it, I'm not feeling funny. In fact, I'm feeling furious. I feel like I want to punch somebody who made that meme. It's not cool. It's not cool to make that meme. So guys, please stop. For whoever watching my vlog, don't commit it suicide. If you're depressed, talk to somebody. Find a way out. Don't end your life. And for someone who make a joke about suicide, think about it. Are you human? That's all I'm gonna say for this topic. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm going serious before, because serious topic. What can I say? I'm not gonna laugh about it. No. So there you have it. There's the vlog, guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this vlog, kind of vlog, weekly, every Thursday, like today. I'm going to upload a new content, vlogging every Thursday. And I'm sorry if the resolution of the video is not good, because I'm using a sport cam, and that is because I'm not allowed to bring my SLR. And I'm sorry if I'm mixing some language here, like I'm sometimes talking Indonesian, sometimes talking in English, but I don't know. I need your advice. If you want me to talk in English or Indonesian, please comment below. So if you like the vlog, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and the bell button so you get notified whenever I'm uploading the video. Be a good chance and make yourself world to world right now. Have a good day, have a good week. See you out. Bye.